my kitchen. My name is Sherry, and just about everyone I know right now is either sick or knows somebody who's sick. So today is Thirsty Thursday also, so it's time to make a drink, and I thought, what a better time than now to make a hot toddy. So we're gonna make a hot buttered rum. Now, traditionally when you make this, you take the butter and the spices and you use a mixer and you beat them together. But I don't know anybody that's like under the weather and wants to drag out that stuff. So I'm gonna take a shortcut today, and we're just gonna take a quarter of a stick, or a half a stick of butter, sorry, it's gonna be a quarter cup, but a half a stick of butter. And I'm gonna put that in here, and I'm gonna melt this in the microwave. All right, once our butter is all melted, we're gonna add in a quarter cup of brown sugar. And you know what else we need? We need some boiling water. So I'm gonna put this water, I've got 3 ounces here. All right, once I've got my butter and sugar mixed together, I'm gonna add in half a teaspoon of almond. Now, the traditional recipe calls for vanilla, but I just prefer almond flavoring, so that's what I'm gonna put in there. And then a half a teaspoon of each of these. So a little bit of allspice. Oops, maybe a little more allspice. I'm putting cardamom in here. It does call for cloves. I happen to be out and I found the cardamom, and it's just one of my favorite spices, especially in the wintertime. A little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of nutmeg. And I'm not being picky with this, I'm just kind of guessing. Pinch of salt. So I'm gonna mix my water in, give it a stir. And then 2 other things we want to add is I'm going to add 2 ounces of spiced rum. And I also want to add an ounce of orange juice, freshly squeezed. All I have was blood oranges on hand, so that's why it's red. I'm going to go ahead and add that in. And that is it. So you can split this up amongst 2 mugs, or you can get yourself a really big one like I did here and drink the whole thing yourself. All right. Smells like spices. That is pretty good. I actually was pretending like I made this before, but I haven't. That is really, really good. You have to give that a try if you've never had one. Now, I know there's different kinds of hot toddies out there, but this is the hot buttered rum. And like I said, I put cardamom and orange in here, which I love those 2 things. And I also swapped out for almond. So this is just kind of a base recipe from what I've been reading. And you can swap it out with like other flavors that you like, especially ones that go great at wintertime. You know, like I said, cardamom and vanilla, 2 of my favorites, and almond. Yeah, I just love all of those. Anyway, this is a great drink. So I hope if you're not feeling well, you give it a try. It'll help your sore throat, hopefully help you sleep better anyway. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.